Hello everyone, this is CRC Consultant channel and today I am Ali here with another video. In this video, I will inform to my all viewers and subscribers because today I am so happy because I just want to announcement because almost my $100 is complete and inshallah if I get money and I will also make a video for my viewers and subscribers because almost 2 years I am working on YouTube and almost alhamdulillah I am getting my first payment very soonest and I am so happy to announcement to my all viewers and subscribers because it's amazing news for me because I'm so happy and I just want to inform to my viewers and subscribers because mostly person because I was start my channel and they are irritate me and they say you cannot make anything and you are not earning from YouTube and because I just want to inform my viewers and subscribers if you start any new channel you should be first focused on your channel and inshallah passage of time same like me before almost 2 years I'm not getting anything but I am doing also job and alhamdulillah inshallah because this is my first payment coming very soon maybe within this same month and I just inform to my viewers and subscribers because also I am recommending to my viewers and subscribers if you are free and if you have also job I just advise to my viewers if you make a channel it's very good for you because the job is not always and if you make a channel it's like your business and you are partner of YouTube and because mostly person they are fully life they are doing job because if you are earning from YouTube you will spend very good time with your family your children because now I understand this feeling because I am too much feeling of this because now I'm in Dubai and because it's very difficult to leave your family because it's not easy and alhamdulillah inshallah very soon I will go in my country and I'm living with my parents my family because it's a very bad pain I cannot have word to explain how can I explain because and also I'm recommending to my all viewers and subscribers if anyone have any skill you will make channel on YouTube and inshallah if you are focus your channel and you are struggle on YouTube the YouTube should be give you very good feedback and also I just inform to my viewers and subscribers if you want to start any channel but you should be check the YouTube which type of video is going because if you are making like vlogs because now vlogs have more competition and if you are make vlogs and you cannot get more views because make something different then the people they will watch you and you will get more views and you will earn very good money and inshallah I just inform to my viewers and subscribers because this is very big news for me because very soonest I am getting money from YouTube because this is my first salary after 2 years and I am so happy and this salary I am giving to my mom and because she pray for always me and inshallah because I am just making video for my viewers and subscribers and I'm just pushing to my viewers they will also make a channel and they are working with the YouTubes and I am just want to inform that because mostly person they are out of country and they faces a lot of problems like now we are wake up 4:30 and 4 o'clock morning and that too much problem and you will go in the bus and come back 6 o'clock maybe 12 hours duty more than 12 hours and I just recommend it to my viewers and subscribers because if you make a YouTube and inshallah if you are struggle and in passage of time you will get money from YouTube and this is a not short term relationship with the YouTube because it's always inshallah because this is a very good if you are making a video on YouTube. I hope everyone like this video and subscribe our channel CRC Consultant. Thank you so much.